Hello guys, today we're going to practice how to find sinus, cosinus and tangent from the angles of 240, 150 and 315. But before doing this, I'm going to tell some knowledge basics for do this exercise. A first level in trigonometry, operate with roots, and a first level of graphic representation. Firstly, we need some knowledge about the sinus, cosinus and tangent from other angles from the first quadrant, like 30, 45 or 60. First, we are going to start with this angle, 150. First of all, we have to situate the angle in the trigonometric circumference, and we mark it. Exactly like this, in the second quadrant. Next, we have to make the triangle rectangle. I have to say that the x is called ordinates and the y is called axis. In the triangle, the distance of the x corresponds with the cosinus of the angle 150, and the y corresponds with the distance of the sinus from 150. The radial distance in the circumference is only 1. So the sinus and cosinus cannot be higher than 1, but the secant and cosecant always will be more bigger than 1. If you remember of another trigonometric season, the secant, the cosecant and the cotangent are the inversion of sinus, cosinus and tangent. Now we have to mark the positive signs about our angle, sinus and cosinus. How can we know this? Simple. If we remember, in the line, when we situate the numbers from 0 to left are negative, and from 0 to right are positives. Here's the same. And in your quadrant, the cosines always will be negative. For the sinus, exactly the same reasoning. Okay, we can pass to the next step. Relationate this angle with another known angle to determine the cosinus from 150. And what angle for the first quadrant could be used by us for finding the cosinus of 150? The 30th cosines. It's so important to understand this. Look, the sinus is exactly the same distance that 150. Sinus and cosinus is with the opposite sign but the same distance. So we can say that the 150's cosines is the negative form of 30's cosines, and 30's cosines is a root of 3 divided by 2. So the answer is less root of 3 divided by 2. Let's begin with the 240. Now we will be faster. We have to situate 240 in the third quadrant. approximately. We determine the sign of sinus and cosinus, and we relate with some angle from the first quadrant. Like 60. They are asking us the tangent from 240, and the tangent is sinus divided by cosinus. So 240's tangent is 200 sinus divided by 200 cosinus, and this is less 60 sinus divided by less 60 cosinus because are in opposite side. Table, we have less root of 3 divided by 2 divided by less of 1 divided by 2. And here we can use one mathematic tool called simplicity.
I've got you under my skin. I've got you.
When we have this, we multiply in cross, so we are multiplying and dividing by 2. Here we can apply simplification. So the solution is less root of 3 divided by less 1. The negative and another negative ends in positive. So the result is root of 3. And for finalize this area, we have to search sinus of 315. Like the other times, first we have to localize 315 in the trigonometric circumference. We determine his sign, the sign of sinus and cosinus, and relate this with one angle from the first quadrant. So 45 will be the angle where we can find the answer. And for n, we can say that 350 sinus is less 45 sinus and this is less root of 2 divided by 2. And well guys, for today that's all.